Hello and welcome to the channel. This will be a shorter video because I'm insanely tired. I was doing a 20-hour workday yesterday, so let's just dig in. I would like to talk about first Lycoris squamigera. This is a plant which usually have foliage in the spring, but because the soil was very moist this year, it still has its foliage, and it just sprouts these naked stems and starts to flower in early August. And I really have to dig this one up because it's already resprouting. This is Henryi from seed. I have only these two plants in flower because they were frozen down in the spring. Seed pods are growing nicely. Some of them are really nice, some of them are not that nice. The oleums are nice. This is Summer Beauty, Millennium, and Tuberosum. Oh, still a nice flower. On the Aurelians, a couple of good ones. This is also very nice. Good seed pods. And I have Hemerocallis Venus flytrap in flower. It's a lovely plant, although it's in a very dark position. My seedlings. So this is the end of Henryi's and Rostorni hybrids. But I have the lovely red ruby Buddleia in flower, also Sweetheart, and Laverne Freeman is still in flower. Scheherazade is still in flower. Leslie Woodruff, Black Beauty. Oh, I have a lot of Black Beauty. They look really nice. Mr. Cass. And these are all the lilies which have already bloomed. Oh, and I have in flower Longiflorum Carpino. Yes, Carpino. The Gladiolus in flower. Tigridia is in flower. This is a really nice one. And I love the fragrance. There is still an OT hybrid to bloom. And the Agapanthus are in bloom. Lycoris in the pot. And some weeds to pull. A lovely Aurelian from Anton Mago, Silent Fire. And I have the spring planted Helenium autumnale. I have to deadhead the Canna soon because they flower more when you dehead them. Oof. This really should be done quick. And I still have some Orientals in bloom, not in their best shape, but we had very warm. So this is Fusarium, stem Fusarium. I'm working on with my colleagues on the stem Fusarium, and I still have Speciosum rubrum uhida to bloom. For example, this Rose Lily Natalia is dead. It's not going to bloom. You can see that I can pull the stem out from the soil. Polar Star. Oh, and Speciosum rubrum uhida is in bloom. Lovely. Very nice. And now is more plants to that head. While I'm here, I'm just quickly doing it. So nice. Ooh. We had a storm and it broke stems again. Oh, I really liked this Rio Negro. It was a good stem with a lot of buds, but that's just weather. The Gloriosa is nice. And I have this lovely hosta in flower. I think it's silly strings. Oh, and I have buds on this one. Hopefully I'm going to have buds on the other two. And Polar Star in shade. Oh, and another Licorice flowering. But I really have to irrigate the plants, and I also have to, this is basil, so I have to harvest the basil. There's always a lot to do in a garden. There's always something to do in a garden. Weeding is always a priority because they can harbor insects and diseases. This Lactuca serriola, which I'm weeding now, is a terrible weed. And it appears that none of the Nepalenza is going to flower. They need some shade. And of course they became virus infected quickly. So yeah. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye bye.